Hi, I'm Dick Howe. It's 8 o'clock in the morning on Friday, February 8th, and this is the start of the blizzard of 2013. All the schools are closed already. The courthouse and most government offices are closing at noon. There's been a state of emergency declared. The forecasters are saying that by the time it's over tomorrow morning, we'll have 2 feet of snow on the ground, and during the night there'll be heavy winds and possible power outages. So throughout the storm, I'll do some video clips to record what happens here in Lowell. Well, it's 12:15 on Friday. The snow has been falling lightly. At 11 o'clock, it was more like sleet, and it's certainly not amounting to anything. But everything is pretty much shut down. I just drove back from the courthouse, and the traffic is very light on the roads. Here's what it looks like now. Well, it's 4 p.m. and it's been snowing heavily for a couple of hours now. The temperature dropped from 27 degrees at 1 o'clock to 24 now. The snow is really fine and light, and the wind's pushing it around. Looks like there's a couple of inches. I've got my ruler here. I'll just measure it on the back of the car. Yeah, it's about an inch and a half there. And it's about the same. So it really isn't piling up that much. So it's just 4 o'clock. But 7 o'clock at night, the snow continues falling. It's light and very icy. The wind's blowing, and there's about 5 inches on the ground now. Well, it's 11 o'clock at night. The temperature's dropped to 18 degrees. There are 11 inches of snow back here. And here comes Ivy. She wants to get in the house pretty quickly. Alright, it's Saturday morning. It's 8 o'clock and 20 degrees, and we did get quite a bit of snow. I'm going to go out and measure it. I've got my 18-inch ruler here. Hopefully it's long enough. So here's a view of the cars. So there goes the ruler. Wow, it's probably about 3 inches more than that, so it's at least 21 inches, and that's in the driveway, which is where the snow wasn't piling up right away there. So we definitely have close to, I'd say, 22 or 23 inches on the ground, and it's still snowing heavily. So I'm going to get to work starting to clear it from the cars and get the snowblower out. So I'll be back later. It's 12:40 on Saturday afternoon, and I just finished the cleanup. I turned off the snowblower for the first time in about 3 hours. Did a great job. There it is right there. And the driveway is all clean. So I think it was just about 2 feet of snow, and it was drifting a lot. And the sun has come out occasionally, but now it's cloudy, kind of windy and cold. So I'm going to go ahead and take it easy. So this was the blizzard of 2013.